You won't believe how this bird protects his eggs and nest. The bird is called the Eurasian desert curlew. He's considered one of the weakest in the world of birds, so he uses its intelligence to protect the nest and a strange way to preserve his eggs. It is an alliance between him and the crocodiles. The bird lays its eggs next to the crocodile eggs. Of course, the crocodile will not protect the eggs for free. The bird has to stand like a guard over the nest, especially when the crocodile goes away to hunt. The second the bird notices the slightest danger approaching their eggs, starts screaming loudly, calling the crocodile for help.